Welcome to the channel, where we take you into the powerful and magical world of logging. If you are passionate about cutting-edge technology, heavy machinery, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because great things are waiting for you ahead. North Carolina, the Tar Heel State, stands as a pillar of the timber industry. Picture mighty oak forests, their towering trunks carried by fearless drivers across the toughest terrains. It's a race against nature, and the stakes are high. Now, behold a sight like no other, a tiny tugboat pulling a massive crane through the tight waters of the Dodd Narrows. It's a dance of skill, precision, and raw power as the captain maneuvers this giant through the narrow strait. Danger lurks around every corner in this industry. Loading logs onto ships before a storm is a race against time. With the skies darkening and waves rising, the workers move with urgency, their focus sharp and unwavering. From land to sky, the battle continues. Enter the CH-234 Chinook helicopter, lifting tons of timber like a steel bird of prey. Watch it defy gravity, hovering over rugged landscapes, conquering the skies with grace and power. These machines are built to last. Take the Kenworth from 1972, old but strong. Watch it pull enormous logs across muddy roads with ease, its steel muscles flexing as it powers through the toughest challenges. hikes through thick snow, hauling timber across treacherous winter landscapes, defying the cold with unrelenting determination. This is more than a job, it's a calling. Whether by land, sea, or air, the timber industry thrives on passion, power, and precision. And the journey never ends. The Woody H60 harvester head isn't just a machine, it's a marvel of human ingenuity. While harvesting trees that have stood for centuries, it ensures minimal impact on the environment. This is sustainable forestry at its finest, harmony between nature and technology. Picture this, the colossal TT4, muscles rippling as it drags a timber truck through a mud pit that looks straight out of a prehistoric swamp. It's a battle of man, machine, and nature, and the TT4 is a beast that refuses to be beaten. Small but mighty, the Janssen GTS 1500E is a wood chipper like no other. With its souped-up engine, it chews through branches with ruthless efficiency. This is where size truly doesn't matter. In Sweden, we find the perfect forestry duo, the HPR 755HB tractor and the FG45 grapple. Together, they handle the largest trees with ease, making forestry faster, smarter, and more efficient. Watch the Velvet 84.3 as it dances through the mud, pulling tons of timber with ease. In the face of rain and impossible terrain, this machine is relentless, conquering everything in its path. As we wrap up, remember that every small action we take can make a big difference for our planet. Together, we can build a greener future, where human ingenuity and nature coexist in harmony. Thanks for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to discover more impressive stories from the logging world. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next video.